I hate fidget spinners. I spent $8 on this disgusting thing just so I could destroy it. Jesus Christ. Good Lord. Oh, this thing is never gonna spin again. Yep, can't spin anymore. Die. Disgusting piece of garbage. I don't even know where it went. Oh, here it is. Look at the damage. Can barely spin anymore. Yeah, and all the freaking bearings came out. So we're gonna. But I'm not gonna stop there. I'm gonna give this thing no mercy. This thing's a cancer, and they need to stop. It's time for these to end. Cancer, cancer. Disgusting. Oh, all right. Pretty sure these are supposed to come out anyway, but. Look at that. Correct. Nice, right in there. Disgusting, disgusting, disgusting. I hate these disgusting things. This is repulsive. These things are repulsive. They're cancerous. This is what attention seekers use. They don't. You don't need it if you fidget. See, I fidget, all right, and I don't need this cancerous piece of garbage. I hate them. They're absolutely repulsive. Anybody who owns one, who uses it, you're disgusting. And anytime I see somebody use it, it makes me want to like decapitate their dog. That's what I want to do. Fidget spinners, absolutely repulsive. They're terrible for America.